WellnessMate AI is the most advanced health and wellness business builder in the world right now. Welcome to the future of wellness entrepreneurship, where AI does the heavy lifting, and you launch a full-scale wellness brand in minutes. A more powerful AI engine built to outperform any existing tool. Get access to a cutting-edge, wellness-focused AI model that creates complete websites, wellness courses, diet plans, fitness programs, recipe ebooks, and more. Instantly. Launch full health and wellness websites faster and better than top platforms. No developers, no hosting, no skill. WellnessMate AI creates fully functional wellness academies and coaching websites superior to MyFitnessPal, Headspace, and Healthline-style portals in minutes. Smartest AI wellness content creator in the market. Just enter a keyword and watch AI create diet plans, fitness programs, recipe ebooks, wellness guides, yoga and meditation courses, PDFs and lead magnets, health and wellness prompts, and more. Creating high-demand content has never been faster. Dominate any wellness niche instantly. With one click, build niche-specific academies for weight loss, fitness, healthy cooking, yoga and meditation, mental wellness, nutrition, women's health, men's health, parenting and kids' wellness, holistic healing, and any other niche you want, with AI-generated courses and resources ready to sell. Create professional wellness ebooks and recipe books instantly. Generate premium quality guides, recipe collections, children's nutrition ebooks, PDFs, and presentations with zero writing required. 100% original, plagiarism-free wellness content. AI generates unique and accurate health content in seconds, fully researched and ready to sell. All AI tools integrated into one platform. No monthly fees. Get an entire wellness empire toolkit in one dashboard. AI diet plan creator, AI recipe ebook maker, AI wellness ebook creator, AI fitness and yoga course creator, AI prompt creator, AI health and wellness marketing content. WellnessMate AI, the ultimate AI-powered health and wellness business builder.